Hey Guelph, Melody here, and March break is here as well. If you're looking for fun things to do without heading out of town, I've got you covered. Let's go. First up, Guelph Civic Museum. They always have special activities for kids, and let's be honest, adults love exploring their cool exhibits too. It's perfect for a fun, low-key afternoon. And also be sure to check out their website for special March break events. Now, if you're feeling the need for some fresh air, the Arboretum at the University of Guelph is a great spot for a walk. Pack some hot chocolate, take in the scenery, and maybe even spot some wildlife. Looking for something creative? Play with clay is a fun way to spend an afternoon. You can paint your own pottery, and the best part, you get to take home something you made yourself. Got kids with energy to burn? Funvilla is a lifesaver. Trampolines, climbing walls, and a ninja course. It's guaranteed fun. And hopefully a good night's sleep. Looking for something hands-on? The museum in Kitchener is just a short drive away and has amazing interactive exhibits and science activities for all ages. It's definitely worth checking out. And of course, no week off is complete without a little treat. The Boathouse is my go-to for warm tea and homemade scones. So good. Also, be sure to check out their high tea option. It makes for such a fun and unique outing. See, you don't have to go far for an awesome March break. Whether you're out exploring or keeping it low-key, there are tons of activities to do in Guelph. Let me know what you're up to in the comments.